These are several versions of Keerthy Suresh that I found online. All these portraits may look realistic, but I am sure you would wonder that something is missing in the portrait. They may look realistic, but the character is missing, meaning these portraits don't look exactly like her. Either the expression that is specific to her is missing, or there is too much expression, or there is no stability in the portrait, or the smile does not look like hers. Overall, the closeness to the character, Keerthy Suresh, is very less. If you create a realistic portrait but there is less or no resemblance, then what is the point? You yourself would not feel satisfied, right? Now, how do you increase the resemblance and stability in a portrait? That is where my technique comes into the picture. In this course, I am going to teach you how to achieve resemblance of up to 90% or more to the character using freehand. If you learn how to achieve resemblance through freehand, it will be a cakewalk to achieve it using the grid method. And in addition to that, I have covered how to achieve realism using pencil. So you can become a portrait artist and take commission portraits after this course. This is an extremely simple course and it will be very easy for you to learn because it is designed exclusively for the beginners.